Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you all are doing wonderful today. I hope you had a wonderful weekend because the month is almost over. Does anybody know what month we're still in? In April. Good job. Look at the month. The month is almost over. Let's count. Here we go. Let's count our days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and today is Tuesday. It'll be April the 28th. Good job, guys. Thank you for counting with me. I love that. Okay, let's go over our board here. Here we go. Today is Tuesday, April 28, 2020. Today's message is Old MacDonald had a farm. Where are we at? In a farm. That's why I'm wearing my farm hat. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to identify some animals, some farm animals, because this is what we will be doing in the classroom. But since we're not in classroom, I'm going to do it here in my own house. So let's see if you can identify the pictures. Here we go. Can you tell me who could this be? What is he? What is that? It's a rooster. He's the one that made the noise this morning to wake up everybody. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Isn't he beautiful? All these beautiful feathers he has. So everybody say rooster. Good job. What could this be? A chicken. All right. She's the one that lays the eggs for us for breakfast. What could this be? A cow. Good job. Moo. They're beautiful. I love the cows. What could this be?
Duck.
A duck. Awesome. Isn't that a beautiful duck? What could this be? Can anybody guess?
Goat.
It's a goat. Good job. Look at that. He is big and heavy. He sure is a strong goat. What could this be?
Sheep.
It is a sheep. Isn't she beautiful? All that fuzzy hair he has, or she has, it's beautiful. Oh, this is my favorite.
Horse.
It's a horse. Good job. What could this be? Everybody has them at home. What could it be? Roof, roof. A dog. Awesome. This one. Does anybody guess what this could be? What kind of animal?
Pig.
It's a pig. Oink, oink, pig, pig. That's right. And all these animals, this guy is the famous of all. He's the one that takes care of the farm animals. His name is Old MacDonald. And you see Old MacDonald with his overalls. He's got to wear overalls because he's got a big heavy job to do in the farm, taking care of the animals. All these animals live where? In a barn. Look how pretty the barn. Beautiful red barn. Now, all the farmer has to worry about taking his animals some food. Heavy food. Pounds and pounds of food. But he needs his what? A tractor. Good job. I love all these pictures. I wish I could live in a farm. I think it would be beautiful because I love all those farm animals. Okay, children, let's get ready. We're going to get ready to do our what for today. We're going to do this lesson. Let's see if you guys can remember what pictures I showed you and what animals live in what? In a farm. Can anybody name me? Can anybody remember any of them? I remember one. A horse. A horse. Good job. Anybody else?
Cow.
A cow. Good job. Okay. Anybody else? A oink, oink, oink. What could it be? What's an oink, oink, oink? A pig. What else?
Rooster.
A rooster. Oh, he's my friend. He's the one that wakes up in the morning. The one that says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay. What other animals do we have? We have a cow, we have a pig, a rooster, a horse. What else can we have?
Chicken.
A chicken. Good job. Okay. Anybody else?
Goat.
A goat. Awesome. What else?
Duck.
A duck. Quack, quack. Good job. A duck. Name me another animal. Name me another animal. A duck, cow, rooster, horse, goat. A duck. What other animal? A
Dog.
dog. He's the one that's always around the farmer with Old MacDonald. He makes sure he's always around the farmer to make sure his animals are safe. Okay, what other animal? A sheep. Bah. Oh, yes, a sheep. A sheep. What other animals? Anybody can think of another animal?
Goose.
A goose, yes. The farmer's got to have a little lake so the goose and the ducks can swim around. Don't you think so in his farm? That'd be awesome. Okay. Anybody else that can think of anything else? Okay.
The farmer.
The farmer. He's the main character. He's the one that we need. Farmer. Okay, write it. Farmer. He's the one that takes care of our farm animals. Okay, look at all. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 animals live. And plus the farmer. I'm always sure he has a wife to help him out. Boys and girls, since we have all these animals here in the farm, let's sing our song, our favorite song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had so many animals living in his farm. I love it. Good job, boys and girls. I love you and I'll see you soon. Y'all have a great day. I love you. Adios. Bye-bye.